Imagine you are standing on the edge of a cliff. The ground is crumbling beneath your feet, falling into the ocean. You are terrified. You scream for help. You beg for just one more minute of safety. Now imagine that while you are standing on that crumbling ledge, you pull out your phone and start playing Candy Crush. That sounds insane, doesn't it? But according to the Roman philosopher Seneca, that is exactly how you are living your life. We all suffer from a specific delusion. We act as if we are immortals. We spend hours scrolling through social media. We spend weeks dreading a conversation we need to have. We throw our time into the trash as if we have an infinite supply of it. Seneca was the wealthiest man in Rome. He had gold, estates, and power. But he looked around at the other rich men of the empire and noticed something strange. They guarded their money like dragons. If someone tried to steal a single coin, they would go to war. But these same men would let anyone, friends, clients, enemies, steal their time without a fight. He wrote, "No person hands out their money to passers-by, but to how many do each of us hand out our lives? We are tight-fisted with our cash, but we are extravagant with the only commodity that can never be replenished, our time." You probably tell yourself that life is short. You complain that the days fly by. This is the lie. Seneca's most famous teaching is simple but aggressive. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Life is long enough. It is sufficiently generous for the highest achievements if it were all well invested. But when it is wasted in heedless luxury and spent on no good activity, we are forced at last, by death's final constraint, to realize that it has passed away before we knew it was passing. Think of it like a bank account. If you give $1 million to a fool, it will be gone in a week. If you give a modest sum to a wise investor, it will grow into a fortune. Your life is the capital. You are the investor. And right now, you might be losing money. So, how do we stop the bleeding? How do we stop being the preoccupied? We must embrace the concept of immediate living. Most of us are preparing to live. We say, "I will be happy when I get that promotion. I will travel when I retire. I will write that book when I have time." Seneca calls this the greatest waste of life. He says, "You are arranging what lies in fortune's control and abandoning what lies in yours. While you are waiting for the future, the present is being stolen. The future does not belong to you. The future is a ghost. The only thing you own is this exact second." This brings us to the ultimate tool of the iron mind. Memento Mori. This is not about being depressed. It is about waking up. Seneca urged his students to say to themselves every night, "I may not wake up tomorrow." When you truly understand that the door could close tonight, you stop tolerating the nonsense. You don't have time to argue with strangers on the internet. You don't have time to hold grudges. You don't have time to be afraid of failure. The fear of death is actually the fear of an unlived life. If you want to be invincible, you must treat every day as a separate life. Build your citadel today. Do the work today. Love your family today. Do not be the man on the crumbling cliff, playing games on his phone. Look at the horizon, breathe the air, and get to work. Because the clock isn't just ticking, it's expiring. Thank you for the support. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments. Please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.